Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Hi everybody. It's Saturday. Saturday. How's everybody doing? Everybody busy? I know, right? This time is so busy right now. Sorry about the noise in the back. We are remodeling our home. Estamos remodelando nuestra casa. We are remodeling our kitchen, floors, cabinets. All I have is the stove, which is in the garage, and I have my refrigerator. I'm living in my basement, but it's gonna turn out beautiful, guys. It's gonna turn out beautiful. So anyway, I want to do a quick hairdo. I gotta go out, so I just washed my hair. So my hair is very clean right now. Oh, I don't have my shampoo here. I was gonna show you my shampoo, but this is the hairspray that I use. So we're gonna use hairspray. I'm gonna use these two, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, I was thinking of a braid, or I was thinking of like a twist, like this. See, I'm just feeding from the bottom, like that, and then like a bun back, like that. I was thinking of something like that, or I was thinking of a braid, or I was thinking of like if I could grab this much ponytail or a rubber band and then flip it. You know what? I think it's what I'm gonna do. So like I say, I just blow dry my hair. I didn't iron it or none of that. I don't do that. I only do that once a year. I know. I don't know how do I do it, but it's how I do it. Okay. So we're gonna use a rubber band. You can see my hair. So we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna hairspray because all the baby hairs are very clean and sticking out, of course. And then you do it at the side that you prefer. Okay, if you like how your face looks on this side, then you do it on this side. If not, do it on the side I'm doing it right now. Okay. Like I said, if you hear extra noise, it's because my kitchen is being remodeled. Everything from cabinets, countertops, floors. My house is a disaster right now. So see, I'm using the rubber band, and now I'm gonna pull, and I'm gonna flip it in, or I think where I'm at. Pull all your hair to the side. Okay. And do it in half. See? Half. So flip it in. See? I flipped it in. And I'm gonna pull a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so it don't look too tight. Like that. The hairspray. The hairspray that I use is just one circle of hold, because I don't like it when it looks kind of fake. I use that when it's raining. I use this other one, which is extreme hold, but this is when it's raining or snowing. Well, here in Michigan it snows a lot, so I like to keep this one, spray this one. If not, if we have just a chilly night and it's not raining or none of those things are going on, then I use just number 1 hold. This one is number 4, but today is that. Okay. Okay, making sure. So I have a lot of volume because I washed my hair. Like I said, I just blow dried it. So this is the volume of my hair. No, you cut them with the scissors. Don't pull it, because then you're gonna pull your hair. The sister here says it is hard to get these little rubber bands out of your long hair. I agree. You are so right. But what I do is, you pull. You're just gonna pull it hard. See? And then put your scissor there. Book. And you're just gonna get it one strand, and this is gonna be out. So that's how I do it, and I don't break my hair or none of that. So it's good. When you use rubber bands, if you have long hair, medium, short hair, this is the best way. Just pull your rubber band and cut. Make sure it's only your rubber band, right? Of course. So I'm gonna take a piece like in the back, and I'm just gonna do a bond on the back. This is my detail on the side. See, with my fingers, I'm bringing it to the back. Kind of want this kind of. Okay, I have these two. Sorry, I'm remodeling my kitchen. Remember I told you? That's my music on the background. So before we do our bond, we're gonna pull. Okay, I wanna look relaxed, right? This is nice. And sorry for that machine that you can hear in the back. Like I said, I'm remodeling for those who just joining in. Okay, and I'm just gonna make a knot on the back. This. And we're going to use pins, big ones. You're gonna need like 4 or 5. That was 4 of them. I didn't need them many. But if you feel it like a little loose, then you always good to add more in order for you to feel it tight and that it's safe. And if you jump or if you run behind your kids, which you will, so you keep adding, especially after the liquor. Yeah, bottom. And almost set. See? I think it's looking okay. How's it looking? I can add, I have all these baby hairs. I'm gonna fix that because I just washed my hair. I like it because this hairspray make you shine your hair. You know that? See, it's shiny, especially, and then also my shampoo is biotin and collagen, and it's good. I really like it. And then it smells soft. And see, and then you just fix your top. You can make it as big as you want, as big as you want. And see, it looks nice. I hope it looks nice on the back. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah! Look at that! Look at that! Easy peasy. Good. I didn't bring anything to decorate, but I can put like I'm wearing a leopard skirt in black and my boots. I'm just going to one of my little cousin's birthday party. So let's see. Give me one sec. I wanna get my my things. So anybody going somewhere? Are you all going anywhere? Oh, I have these too. I have these go, they go perfect. I don't know if to put it here or where, or on the back. I can use the back too. Like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then the other one, right by it. How's it look? Does it look nice? Nice. I like it. Alright, stay tuned for more hair tutorials. This was easy. This is just a little detail on the side, and it was like a knot on the back, how I did it. So please rewind the video, go back and then check how I did the knot, so you guys can do it for tomorrow's service or wherever you go. If you gotta go to the mall with your kids, your family, to church, for shopping, for anything you like, to go pay the bills, right? But we are princes of God, you know, we are princes of the King, we are his children, so we gotta look pretty, right? Not because we're married and we have kids, it's not that we're not gonna take care of ourselves. Always take care of ourselves. And I'm so happy to see all of you. So we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow it'll be Sunday, of course, and I'll have another tutorial for us. Okay? Enjoy your day, your night, and don't forget to love the Lord with all your soul, heart, and mind. Cinthia Hernandez here with you. Remember, I have my YouTube channel, Cinthia Hernandez, and I have more hair tutorials there. Okay? Love you all. Bye.